Welcome to another episode of the HiTech Air Reactor video blog. Today we're going to take a look at the Model 101, reactor pad rotation, and filter change. So let's take a look at how we do that. Let's remove the lid here. You can see I have the reactor pads labeled 1, 2, and 3, and the filter here at the back of the unit, the fans and the switch here in the front. So the filter you're going to change out once every 3 months. If you look at it in between the 3 months, you might see the dust starting to accumulate. You can vacuum that off if you'd like. Usually look like an oval in the shape of the cutout here in the back. So we're going to replace the filter once every 3 months, and that goes here in the back of the unit. And then we're going to rotate the reactor pads. The reason it's important to rotate the reactor pads, you can see the center reactor pad here labeled number 2 is getting UV light on both sides. That UV light over time will deteriorate the reactor pad, and so we want to rotate them so that they each get exposed to that double UV light over the course of the year in a more equal pattern. So reactor pad rotation is pretty simple. We're going to rotate reactor pad labeled number 1 here into the number 2 position, number 2 in the number 3 position, and number 3 into the number 1 position. And if you just follow that same pattern each time you change out your filter and rotate the reactor pads, you'll get a kind of an even rotation over the course of a year. So let's take a look at what that looks like. So again, we're going to take number 1 here, we're going to rotate it into the number 2 position. We're going to take the number 2 filter, we're going to rotate it into the number 3 position. We're going to take the number 3, we're going to have to rotate that around so that the orange side is facing the UV bulb. And we're going to put that where number 1 was. So you can see what that looks like after you've rotated those. You may notice some of the orange dust in the bottom of the unit. You can clean that out. You can also clean the bulbs with some rubbing alcohol. You may notice some black marks on the bulbs. That's perfectly normal, that's okay. You don't need to try to clean that off. This particular unit's been running for about 6 months. You'll notice there's a little bit of that black that's showing up on the bulbs. So anyway, that's filter change and reactor pad rotation for the Model 101. If you have any questions on this, please post those in the comments below. We'll try to get those answered. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Head over to our webpage at www.hitechairreactor.com to learn more about the HiTech Air Solutions Air Reactor. Here you will find information about the different air reactor models. You can also visit our blog, review our FAQ section, and request a custom quote tailored to your home or business. You can also reach out to us via email at info@hitechairreactor.com. Thanks for watching.